Hi class, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are safe and healthy at home. A quick announcement before we get started with ELA week 2, day 3. Miss Nishimura is starting her ESOL Google Classroom. So if you get pulled out by Miss Nishimura for ESOL, please double check that is to see if you are invited to her Google Classroom, okay? If you are invited by Ms. Nishimura to join her Google Classroom, please make sure that you click accept and look at her announcements, okay? All right, so I'm going to post our writing prompt for today. Our writing prompt today is, what is your favorite candy? Okay, in the word box, it says Kit Kats, my personal favorite, Fun Dip, Nerds, Starburst, Lollipops, or any other candy. What's your favorite candy and why? Okay, so here's your writing prompt for today. Please make sure to use capital and lowercase letters, that you have periods at the end of your sentences, and that your writing makes sense. Also today, please look for spelling, okay? Double check your work for spelling, okay? So here's your writing prompt for today. Awesome job. You finished your writing prompt. Now I'm going to display your fix the sentences activity. Please make sure to fix the sentences with uppercase or lowercase letters, periods at the end of the sentences, capitalizing the names of certain things, the titles of certain things, okay? So double check those words to see which words need to be capitalized, okay? So here's your fix your sentences activity. Awesome job. You finished your writing prompt and your fix your sentences activity. Now, the next video is going to ask you to do a couple things with the book Emma's Rug. So in the next ELA video, the other teacher is going to read to you again Emma's Rug. She's going to read Emma's Rug to you again. Now remember what we say in my room. To really understand a story, you need to read it how many times? At least 3 times. So this will be the second time today that you will have heard the book again, okay? After she reads the story to you, she is going to ask you to draw a picture of an event from the story, or from Emma's book, or Emma's Rug. So I have a chart to help you with drawing your picture, and after you draw your picture, the other teacher is going to ask you to write a sentence about your picture, okay? The sentence starter for that is blank is important to the story because blank. So why is the picture that you drew about Emma's Rug important to the story? Okay, that's what she is asking. So in the next piece of paper I'm going to show, you're going to get down, draw like a square where you would draw your picture and get that sentence starter down. This is to help you for the next video, okay? So get this down on a piece of paper so that you're ready for the next video. Awesome job. You did your writing prompt, you fixed your sentences, and you have your picture, your square ready for your picture for the next video. Next thing I'm going to have you do is get, just like yesterday, she's going to ask you a question, and I'm going to give you a sentence starter to help you answer that question. So in the next video, the teacher is going to ask you, based on the text and illustrations in Emma's Rug, what inspires Emma? Okay, so remember what that word inspires means. Inspires means what moves people to do something, okay? So, and she explained that in the last video. So I have sentence starters to help you with that question. I'm going to read it one more time. Based on the text, so the book, and illustrations, so pictures, in Emma's rug, what inspires Emma? Okay, so what inspires Emma in the story? And I'm going to read the sentence starters for you. Blank inspires Emma. I know that blank inspires Emma because in the story, blank. I know that blank inspires Emma because in the pictures, blank. Okay, so she's going to ask you to write down these sentence starters in the next video. This way, if you get this all down on a piece of paper, you'll already be ready. So when she tells you to write down these sentence starters, you'll already have them on a piece of paper, okay? So now get this down on a separate piece of paper so that you're ready for the next video. Awesome job. You did your writing prompt, you fixed your sentences, you have your square ready for your picture, you have your sentence starters to answer the question. One last thing before you go to the next ELA video. And I'm making these so that they can help you with the next video, okay? One last thing before you move on to the other teacher teaching. She's going to ask you to make an organizer on a piece of paper, okay? I have the organizer down on my little paper on the screen. Before you get to the next video, I want you to write down this organizer, okay? I wrote it down so that it's a little easier to see and so you can kind of figure out where on the paper you want to write it, okay? So she is going to give you this organizer in the next video and she's going to tell you to write it down, okay? I want you to write it down now so that you are ready for the next video. Okay, so I'm going to show you a piece of paper. You're going to write this chart down on a piece of paper so that you're ready for the next video. Okay, and then she's going to walk with you on how to do the different sections of the chart. Okay, so she's going to help you find the answers to it. But I want you to have it set up for the next video. Okay, so get this chart down on a piece of paper so that you're ready. Phew, that was a lot. So you have your writing prompt, you have your fix your sentences, you have your square ready for your picture from an event from Emma's rug, you have your sentence starters ready for the question, and you have the chart already written down on a piece of paper for the next video. You are all set for the next ELA video, okay? If you have any questions about anything, please contact me. You can text me or call me between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Okay, please make it between those hours. All right, guys, I miss you guys so much. And please let me know if you need anything. Okay, bye, guys.